Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you for watching my presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Muanifah Hamim. I'm from IKLAS 2019, English Language Education Department, Faculty of Social Science and Humanities. Thank you secondly for the chance that given to me. Now I would like to present about Hamlet by Shakespeare. William Shakespeare's Hamlet is one of the world's best-known plays by a man widely considered the world's greatest playwright. Spun on The Simpsons and South Park, adapted by Disney and filmed and staged countless times, Hamlet provides our cultural consciousness. Even if this is your first direct exposure to the play, you are likely already familiar with some of its more memorable lines, like "to be or not to be," or "Alas, poor Yorick, I know him, Horatio." William Shakespeare is widely considered the most famous playwright of all time. Although there are no records of this birth, Shakespeare's birthday is traditionally celebrated on April 23rd, 3 days before his baptism at Holy Trinity Church in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. There he spent most of his life while going to London for work. In November 1582, Shakespeare married Anne Hattie, and together they had 3 children. 10 years later, he had established himself in London and found success as both an actor and a playwright with one of the 2 most popular London companies, the Lord Chamberlain Men's, which would later be known as the King's Men. The Lord Chamberlain's Men performed Shakespeare's work at court for Queen Elizabeth I, and later as the King's Men at the court of James I. However, in 1596, Shakespeare's son Hamlet tragically died at the young age of 11. Shortly after Shakespeare's father died, this event may have been the inspiration for the play Hamlet. Shakespeare himself died in April 1616, leaving a legacy to both theater and literature that still endures today. Shakespeare's plays are timeless with a universality to which anyone can relate. It's for this reason that so many 21st century analogs exist like Disney, The Lion King. What Shakespeare was able to do so well was to incorporate ancient themes, modern nuances, and his own unique twist. For instance, for personal gain, adultery, taking madness, all themes you would expect to see in biblical stories like Cain and Abel. In addition to the universality of this plot, his use of dramatic and situational irony along with the fast-paced action never failed to draw the audience in.